Prior to the hearing of this particular case in question, the Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ayine, and his predecessor, Godfred Yeboah-Dame, were called into conclave. They had a brief meeting with the justices of the Supreme Court who are sitting on this particular case. After the meeting, the case was subsequently called, and immediately the chairperson of the panel, her ladyship, Justice Henrietta Mensah-Bonsu, made public reason why the case had to be adjourned. She mentioned that due to, quote, unavoidable, unquote, developments, the case had to be adjourned. She moved on further to adjourn the case to May the 6th. Now, if you recall, when this case was called last week, the former Attorney General, Godfred Yeboah-Dame, when he spoke to newsmen, mentioned that he expects President Mahama to suspend the consultation process because of what is happening here at the Supreme Court. Today, when I asked the Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ayine, what he makes of the suggestion by his predecessor, he said that doesn't hold as far as the law is concerned.
He has filed an application in court. The court is here to make an order. So if he says that the president must hold on, is he saying that the court has already granted an order in respect of which the president, must not continue the process, right? First of all, he has to understand that this is the performance of a constitutional duty, right? And the law is very clear that you cannot enjoin the performance of a constitutional or public obligation. And so, for me, I don't see the point that he's trying to make by saying that the president must hold on to the process of consultation.
His argument is that because of what is happening here at the Supreme Court, the president ought to hold on.
Well, that is why I have said the president is performing a constitutional duty, and the law is very clear that you cannot enjoin the performance of a public obligation.
The case is back here at the Supreme Court on May the 6th, by which time we expect a full panel to be in place for the case to be heard. I would like to run us quickly through the justices of the Supreme Court who are sitting on this particular case and who was absent, reason why the case had to be adjourned to May the 6th. So quickly, on this particular panel, we have His Lordship Justice Ernest Yaw-Jew, His Lordship Justice Richard J. Frimpong, Her Ladyship Justice Professor Henrietta Mensah-Bonsu, His Lordship Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu-Asiedu, and His Lordship Justice Yao Dako Asare. So His Lordship Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu-Asiedu was the one who was not available, and it was due to unavoidable circumstance, reason why he was unable to make it and has to force the case to be adjourned to May the 6th. So on that day, hopefully we will be here to bring you up to speed as far as this particular case is concerned. From the Supreme Court, this is Latif Idris reporting for Joy News.